Hello friends, in the last video we learned about acute angle, obtuse angle, right angle, complementary angles and supplementary angles. You can watch this in the video part 1. Now we will learn about linear pair. What is a linear pair? The sum of angles that are formed in a straight line are of 180 degree. For example, three angles are formed here 1, 2 and 3. Then the sum of angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 will be 180 degree. एक लाइन पे कितने भी एंगल्स बने उन सब का सम हमेशा हमारे पास 180 डिग्री होता है. अगर हमारे पास एक लाइन पे 5 एंगल्स फॉर्म हो रहे हैं C1, 2, 3, 4 एंड 5, तो इन सब का सम भी हमारे पास 180 डिग्री होगा. दिस इज कॉल्ड लीनियर पेयर. Now we will do some questions on the basis of linear pair. So the question number 1 is, can two acute angles form a linear pair? LP is linear pair. क्या दो एक्यूट एंगल्स एक लीनियर पेयर बना सकते हैं? सी एक्यूट एंगल्स आर लेस देन 90 डिग्री और दो एंगल का सम अगर हमें 180 डिग्री चाहिए तो हमें कम से कम 90 यहाँ पे लेना होगा, सो डैट द सम विल बी 180. बट एक्यूट एंगल्स आर लेस देन 90, सो द आंसर इज नो. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. Can two obtuse angles forms a linear pair? क्या दो ऑब्ट्यूज एंगल से लीनियर पेयर बन सकता है? सी ऑब्ट्यूज एंगल्स आर बिटवीन 90 to 180. अगर हमें सम 180 चाहिए और हम 90 से 180 दे आर नॉट ऑफ 90 बट ग्रेटर देन 90 डिग्री. ग्रेटर देन 90, सपोज हमने यहाँ पे कोई भी एंगल लिया 91, तो हम यहाँ पे क्या पुट करेंगे 89, सो दैट द सम विल बी 180. बट दिस इज अ ऑब्ट्यूज एंगल बट 89 इज नॉट एन ऑब्ट्यूज एंगल, सो द आंसर इज नो. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. कैन two right angles form a linear pair? Right angle is of 90 degree and 90 plus 90 is 180. Now the next question, check which of the following pair of angles form a linear pair. So to check this we have to check the sum of the following angles is 180 or not. In first case 140 plus 40 equals to 180, so they can form a linear pair. 60 plus 60 equals 180, so they cannot form a linear pair. 90 plus 80 equals to 170, so they can form, and 115 plus 65 equals to 180, so they can also form. Now next topic is vertically opposite angles. What are vertically opposite angles? If two lines are crossing each other, then four angles are formed. The angle 1 and angle 3 are vertically opposite. Angle 2 and angle 4 are vertically opposite angles. Now what is the relation between vertically opposite angles? Vertically opposite angles are equal to each other, so angle 1 will be equal to angle 3 and angle 2 will be equal to angle 4. Let us revise what we learned in the introductory video. First, what are acute angles? Acute angles are the angles whose measure is less than 90. What are right angles? Right angles are of 90 degree. Third, obtuse angle. What are obtuse angles? Obtuse angles are the angles which lie between 90 to 180. They are greater than 90 but less than 180 degree. What are complementary angles? The angles whose sum is 90 degree. Complementary angle का sum हमारे पास होता है 90 degree. And how to find the complement of an angle? What is complement of an angle? To find the complement of an angle, we simply subtract the angle from 90 degree. For example, we have to find the complement of 60 degree. We will subtract 90 from 60, then we will get 30. So 30 is the complement of 60. Now, then we learned about supplementary angles. What are supplementary angles? Angles whose sum is 180 degree. To find the supplement of an angle. How we will find the supplement of an angle? By subtracting the angle from 180. For example, we have to find the supplement of 60. Then we will subtract 60 from 180. The answer is 120. So 120 is the supplement of 60 degree. Then we learned about adjacent angles. Adjacent angles are the angles who share a common vertex, a common arm, but not any common area. For example, angle 1 and angle 2 are adjacent angles, but angle 1 and angle 2. In this case, both of these are not adjacent angles. They have a common vertex and a common arm, but they also share a common area. So they are not adjacent angles. Now, let us take an example. In the given figure, we have given angle 1 as 30 degree and we have to find angle 2 and angle 3. We will find these angles using these properties. So, we have read about vertically opposite angles. See, the figure is something like this. Angle 1 and angle 3 are vertically opposite angles, and angle 1 and angle 3 are vertically opposite angles. So, angle 1 will be equal to angle 3. And what is angle 1? Angle 1 is equal to 30 degree. So, angle 3 will also be equal to 30 degree. Why angle 1 is equal to angle 3? Since they are vertically opposite angles. So, angle 1 and angle 3 की values हमें known है. Now we have to find angle 2. See, this is a straight line. So, angle 1 plus angle 2 will be equal to 180 degree. Why? From linear pair. We are given angle 1 as 30 degree, angle 2 equal to 180. Now we have to find angle 2, 180. When we will shift 30 to the right hand side, the sign will change to the negative. Now 180 minus 30 is equals to 150 degree. So the angle 2 is equals to 150 degree. This is example first of exercise 5.1 NCERT. You have to identify 5 pair of adjacent angles, 3 linear pairs and 2 pairs of vertically opposite angles from the given figure. So what will be the pairs of adjacent angles? See, angle AOE plus angle EOC are adjacent angles. Next pair is angle EOC and angle COB. Third, angle COB and angle BOD. Angle this and angle this. Next, angle BOD and angle AOD. This angle and this angle. Next one is angle AOD and angle AOE. Now B part, 3 linear pairs you have to identify. First of all, you will identify a line. AB is a line, so the angles here are angle AOE and angle AOE and EOB. It forms a line. Second, in the same line you can see angle AOC and angle BOC forms a linear pair. So angle AOC and angle BOC. Now next one is you have to identify other line. See, CD is a line. So in CD you can form angle AOD and angle AOC. This and this forms a linear pair. Next you have to identify 2 pairs of vertically opposite angles. Now see 2 lines crossing each other. This is a line and this is a line. They are crossing each other. So this angle and this angle is vertically opposite, angle AOD and angle BOC. The next pair is this angle and this angle. So angle BOD and angle AOC.